Mike Hughes here. I'm at Dive Inspire, and I'm with Pink. And Pink, we have a new product to show.
Yeah, this year we have like several new products. Like here, you can see the turtle bag,
The turtle
the
bag.
mesh one that you can put like small little things inside,
Uh-huh.
and the tote bag that you can go like shopping with the turtle.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when you're incognito, it looks like this, or it looks like this for the little one, and then you just on the back side you can see a zipper. You unzip it, and now you've got a little bag. Or if you want the big turtle, the leather back for if you want a big shopping bag when you're going.
Yeah,
Okay.
true.
And then we have
on here we have the kind of like scuba diver reward. This is the first pin that we made.
Okay.
This say I saw whale shark, so you can get one if you see a whale shark.
Oh, I see. Okay, cool.
Yeah, and this is the new one. This is the green sea turtle, or the name is Sunny.
Right.
With the back tag, the keyring, and the magnets. And the latest one is the Taylor, the treasure shark.
Okay.
Come in free things as well, like back tag, magnet, and keychain.
Yeah, because we all know that turtles and sharks need keychains, right?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Why not?
Okay. Oh, and then we have one other project that, if we want to just look at him real quick. Look at now, and now he's sleeping on the plane. So
Very comfy.
very comfy. So you can wear a mask underwater now.
Yeah.
You're probably the only one that's ever figured this out, and to wear a mask when you're out of the water sleeping.
Yeah, why not?
Cool. You're a diver full time.
Yeah.
And if they want more information about your Dive Inspire,
Yeah, you can go on our website, www.diveinspire.com.
perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.